just watching the sky. She had a rock and a clam to crack, tapped it open with a snack attack. I wanna float just like an otter, wiggle in the wavy water. Hold your hands so we don't drift. Otters give the best hugs. What a gift! Otters slide down muddy hills, tumble, splash, they've got the skills. Wrapping seaweed cozy and tight, taking a nap till the morning light. I wanna float just like an otter, wiggle in the wavy water. Use a rock and give a squeak, crack that shell. Now let's eat. Can you float? Float like me. Can you crack? 1, 2, 3. Can you wiggle, splash, and spin? Now dive down deep, let's try again. Otters keep the rivers clean. They eat the clams and keep things green. So if you see one, wave hello. They're helping nature everywhere they